What is VASE? VASE stands for Visual Arts Scholastic Event. Texas's statewide art contest and exhibition where high school students submit original artwork to be evaluated by professional jurors, with top pieces advancing to regional and state-level recognition. Every award-winning VASE artwork started the exact same way, with a blank page and one question. What do I actually want to say? Here's how to find that idea in 4 steps. The VASE Process Worksheet starts with one choice. Is your artwork coming from your imagination, from observation, something you're looking at right now, or a reference photo, or from original sketches you've already started? There's no wrong answer. Circle one, and that decision shapes everything else. Now ask, what inspires me? The strongest ideas usually come from something real to you. A memory, a culture, an artist you admire, a feeling you can't shake. It doesn't have to be big. It could be your favorite pair of shoes if they hold a memory or a meaning for you. The idea just has to matter to you. That's what makes it worth making. Once you have a spark, test it. If you are using a reference photo, describe or sketch your idea here. Do quick color studies before committing. Then match your idea to a medium: drawing, painting, printmaking, sculpture, fibers, digital, or mixed media. Ask, what material will actually communicate this idea best? Last step, and it's the one people skip. Write your process notes. Explain how you made the piece and why. Jurors aren't just scoring the artwork, they're scoring your thinking. A clear idea, clearly explained, is what separates good art from a medalist. Imagination, observation, or sketches. Inspiration, practice, process. That's how every idea on that VASE gallery wall started.